everyone, today I'm going to make Singapore noodles and I'm doing a chicken and prawn version. I will include other options if you want a vegetarian option or if you want to use pork too in the recipe. This is really easy to make and it's not expensive to make either. What I'm making today, and it's 4 portions that this recipe will give you, this is costing you about €12 to make. If I was to buy 1 portion of this in my local takeaway, it's about €15. So fantastic value to make this. You know what's going into it and it's beautiful. All right, to get started, I've heated a tablespoon of oil here and I've got 2 chicken breasts and I've sliced them up nice and thinly. So get them in there. I'm going to season these with a little bit of salt and pepper. And we're going to fry these for about 4 to 5 minutes. Chicken is ready, it's a nice and golden colour, so remove it from the pan. Great. Going to add another tablespoon of oil. And in here goes 1 red onion, thinly sliced. And 2 garlic cloves, finely chopped up too. So we're going to cook this for about two minutes until the onion and garlic is slightly softened. Just be careful not to burn your garlic. Next we're going to add 1 red pepper and 1 carrot which I've cut up nice and fine. I'm going to cook these now for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of curry powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric. Just going to cook this for about a minute so the spices release their flavour. Okay, in goes the chicken and I'm going to add 200 grams of prawns. We're going to cook for about 2 minutes. Okay, in goes the rice noodles or vermicelli noodles. Don't break them up, just sit them on top. Got 600 ml of chicken stock. Just use the chicken stock cube. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Teaspoon of fish sauce, just gives it a bit of depth. Teaspoon of sugar. Great. And we're going to cover this now and cook for about 7 minutes. You can check on it and stir the noodles in as they soften as well. My noodles are fully cooked. Look at that. Beautiful, isn't it? Gorgeous colours in there. You want the noodles well mixed in. Beautiful. I'm going to season with a little salt and pepper. Half a teaspoon of white pepper too. Mix together. Sprinkle over some spring onion, 2 spring onion, a little bit of a lime juice, and I like to add a little bit of sesame oil. That's optional. And there you have it, absolutely beautiful. Gonna have a little taste. Oh wow, that's delicious. Absolutely gorgeous. And such an easy dish to make. And that, everyone, is my Singapore noodles with chicken and prawn. Enjoy.